Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AI writing workflows for SEO with Jasper, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your primary SEO goals. Research your target keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner or a SEMrush. Create a content outline based on your keyword research. Open Jasper AI and select the appropriate template for your content type, such as blog posts or social media. Input your target keywords into Jasper's main field. Specify the tone and style you want the content to reflect. Choose the desired word count for your piece. Use Jasper's features like the Content Improver or Long-Form Assistant to enhance your draft. Review the generated content for relevance and coherence. Make necessary edits to align the content more closely with your voice and guidelines. Incorporate headings, subheadings, and bullet points for better structure. Optimize on-page SEO elements like meta descriptions and alt text using Jasper. Run a plagiarism check to ensure content originality. Add internal and external links where appropriate to enhance SEO. Use Jasper to generate social media snippets or summaries for promotion. Schedule your content for publication using your preferred content management system. Monitor performance metrics after publishing to refine future workflows. Iterate and adjust your process based on the results to improve efficiency and effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.